Hello guys, hello and welcome. So today's topic is the conditional formatting. As you can see over here, this is the conditional formatting, right? So here we have the multiple values, the highlight cell rules, greater than, lesser than, between, top, bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets. So we will see one of them, between them. So the conditional formatting apply on the numeric values, or you can apply on uh, you know some text values, but we will apply over here in volume, price, and cost column, right? So these three are numeric values. So let's click on it and let's see the data bars. And now select. So you can see we can show the bars on the numbers using the conditional formatting, which is quite simple. And let's put another conditional formatting on prices, and which is our color scheme. So what it will gonna tell us? It will gonna tell us the lowest and the highest. The darker color show the lowest and the highest. So just start with the red and it's end with the green, which is a positive sign. And here we have another icon sets, like which is high, which is low, or so yeah. So this is conditional formatting using type icon sets, where you can set multiple icons. So I like this one. Like, this cost is not good, this cost is not good, this cost is too much, 26, but I think I need to change it because it's not alarming. Or okay, let me just see which is positive, which is negative. Okay, so the 26 is mild and the 45 is positive. And so these are the three types that we can use for the conditional formatting. And here is another type using the formula, as you can see. But what I can clear the conditional formatting using clear rules, right? And let's apply something new on it. Okay, highlight cell greater than. So what I want to highlight this cell, which is greater, for example, 40. Because 40 is too much. And let's change the color from over here, and let's click on it. And now you can see they just highlight those colors which is above 50. So this is one of the things that we can do with the conditional formatting. Okay, so not top 10. Okay, so highlight rules equal to, you can use like, you can select the values again over here, less than, duplicate values. Okay, so let's see how it will duplicate values. Well, let's apply the duplicate values over here. Right, text. So all the duplicates. Okay, so let's add more formulas base.